See in 100 seconds, linked lists. We need stdlib for malloc. A linked list is built from nodes. Each node holds data and a pointer to the next one. See the struct on line 4. Each node has an int for data and a pointer to the next node. That next pointer on line 6 is what chains the list together. Watch create node on line 9. We malloc space for one node. Set its data to the value and set next to no bell. This is how every node starts, unlinked. Now print list on line 16. See the while loop. We start at head and follow the next pointer until we hit null L. Each step prints the data and an arrow. Watch line 20. Current equals current arrow next. That moves us one node forward. When current is NUL, we have reached the end of the list. See free list on line 25. We save the current node in temp, advance to the next, then free temp. Without this, every node leaks memory. Now in main, watch how we build the list. Create node 10 as head, then chain 20 and 30 using the arrow next pointer. 3 nodes, linked in order. See this prepend pattern on line 42. Create a new node with 5. Point its next to the old head, then update head. The new node is now the front of the list. Watch line 49. Free list walks the entire chain and frees each node. Always free your linked list when you are done, just like any malloc. See the output, 10 arrow, 20 arrow, 30 arrow, and NUL. After the prepend, 5 sits at the front. 4 nodes, all connected, all freed at the end. Next up, linked list, insert and delete.